Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to take the Book of Normans, which is a lot of pages, and put on a plaque. The one I'm doing it for, I made the text at least a little bit bigger so I could tell what was going on, because when I first opened it, it was like 1 point. And I think at this time you could probably change the font, to whatever you wanted. Well, I guess you'd have to highlight the font you want to change. And, you'd have to almost change this pre-hand. Let's just find a font. So it changed that font to another font. But then what you have to do, and I can actually put that back the way it was, just take your text cursor and you're going to have to do this at a page at a time. I'm going to get it highlighted, right click and copy it. You can also probably copy it up here. And then go into Corel and right click and paste it. Now this really slows down my computer. So I don't know, you're going to have to bring in all the other pages. I wouldn't try doing more than one at a time, but it brings it in pretty good. The only disadvantage is Corel's not recognizing it as a font. So you can't change the font. So if you want to change the font, I would change it pre-hand. And I don't know how big your plaque is, but this is a lot of wordage. I mean, a lot of wordage on a plaque. And let's just kind of look how big this is. I mean, that's a lot, and see how it's slowing down my computer. Even at that, let's see how big this is. Well, let's look at it compared to the page. I'm going to hit F4 on the keyboard. It's slowing down my computer. Hopefully it won't slow down yours. I just think it's so much, it's kind of overwhelming Corel. And, like if see, that's 8 by 10, that's a sheet of paper. Compared to your laser bed, when we click off of it, like my laser bed's 40 by 28. And I don't know really why, and hopefully yours will be able to maneuver this a little more than I am. It's really slowing down the computer. And then I would just go get the second page and, one at a time. And I don't really, it was so small when I opened it up. It was, you've got to be able to have it at some point, at some size, so you'll be able to do the engraving. I mean, that's an awful lot to ask. I'll go down to where I did not change it, and it was like that small, and really can't even read what it's saying. Let's just pick a line and make it. See, it's 1 point. Let's make it that 10. And so it made it that 10. And just kind of play around with it. You might, I think you're going to have to change the size, and I think you're going to have to change the font. I would almost leave that font, whatever that font is. Let's just change one line of font or a couple pre-hand. Let's just do that. I mean, that you probably wouldn't want that, but so I would change the font, and let's bring this into Corel. Let's by right-clicking, copy, go back to Corel. I'm going to open a new page and bring that in, and by pasting it, and even that it looked pretty big. So it can be done. It's just going to take a little bit of work. I would really consider one, find out how big your plaque is and bring in all the pages and maybe have the pages over here and see if you can't get them on that plaque. I don't know if that helped, but I hope it did, and thank you for watching.